In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join lines in AutoCAD using the Filt command. By the end, you'll know a quick, reliable way to clean up corners and connect line work with a sharp, precise junction. Start by opening your drawing so you can see the lines you want to connect. In the command line, type Filt and press Enter. This command is designed to create a smooth arc between two objects, but with a simple adjustment, it becomes perfect for joining lines into a crisp corner. If you prefer shortcuts, the single letter alias F also works, and you can access Filt from the Modify panel on the ribbon, but typing it is usually the fastest. Next, set the radius so the corner is sharp. Look at the command line, type R and press Enter to bring up the radius option. Now type 0 and press Enter. A radius of 0 tells AutoCAD not to create a rounded arc, but to trim or extend the selected objects so they meet at a single clean point. You typically only need to set this once. AutoCAD remembers it until you change it. Now you're ready to join the lines. Click the first line, then click the second line you want to meet it. Try to pick near the ends you want to connect. Your pick points help AutoCAD determine which parts to trim or extend. The order doesn't usually matter, but your pick locations do. If you accidentally choose the wrong ends, just press undo and try again, clicking closer to the intended corner. When you make those two selections, AutoCAD will immediately connect them at a single point, trimming or extending as needed. That's the beauty of using Filt with a radius of 0. It's fast, it's precise, and it eliminates gaps and overlaps that can cause issues in dimensions, hatches, or further edits. If nothing happens, glance at the command line for messages, make sure the radius is set to 0, the objects aren't on a locked layer, and that they're not perfectly parallel. Filt needs to be able to extend the geometry to a logical intersection. Also, ensure you're working in the same plane if you're in 3D. You can repeat this process quickly by pressing the spacebar or Enter to rerun the last command, then select the next pair of lines. A handy tip, holding Shift while selecting temporarily forces a 0 radius Filt, but since we've already set the radius to 0, you're good to go. That's all there is to it. Type Filt, set R to 0, pick the first line, pick the second, and AutoCAD joins them cleanly. Practice this around your drawing to standardize corners and speed up your workflow.